Do you have any model which you follow while implementing any innovation into the system without disrupting the current operations?
Yes, I think it is a very simple model. I think every organization must be using it, and I use it for my activities when I'm looking for innovations.
Right.
So that is what I call it a 70-20-10 model. So
Okay.
adds up to 100.
Okay.
So 70 is that deploy your resources, 70% of your resources in your core activity.
Okay.
20% of the resources should be deployed or used in bringing the improvement, and 10% should be used for innovation. Balances. It does not disrupt your operations.
Right.
At the same time, it also has to bring improvement
Right.
and as well as the scope for bringing the innovation.
In the interest of my audience, if I have to ask you a very simple risk management module.
It's a very interesting question, Deepak. I think risk management is a very important activity, and the severity that a risk may involve may differ from organization to organization, situation to situation. And I have a very simple model to suggest. It's called the 4T model. So 4T model, I would like to expand it. First T stands for tolerate. The second T stands for transfer. The third T stands for treat. And fourth for terminate. Talking about the severity level, if the risk is not having a lot of severity,
Right.
an organization may think to tolerate it, let it be there,
Right.
and move forward.
Right.
The second T talks about transfer. There are certain risks which, through collaboration, you can transfer it to somebody, or in some manner, you can just, for it, for example, you can enter into a contract
Right.
or indemnity bond. These are certain examples of how you can transfer the risk.
Right.
Doing the mitigation, but transferring it in a different manner to
Right.
something or to somebody or in some other manner, right? The third T stands for treatment. Yeah. There are certain risks which would require your interventions, mitigations,
Right.
which you can, based on various factors, that the impact that it would make,
Right.
the velocity at which it is approaching you.
Right.
You can think about a mitigation plan,
Right.
and you are able to treat that risk. Treat doesn't mean that it becomes zero, but to a large extent you are reducing the impact.
Able to mitigate. Yeah.
When you are talking about terminate, there are certain risks which you can't handle at all.